Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad. Rasul Ar-Rahman, number 1075, 6 September 2025. In the name of Allah, the more gracious, the more merciful. Allah Azza wa Jalla said, "O Khaya, indeed I showed you a dream in which the universe was filled with disasters, and you were amidst the disasters. I Allah show you how the earth beneath you moved, and how trees was thrown the hair by the chaos. Yet you're not touched by the fallen trees, for the ground itself collapsed and shift. I have placed within your heart my verse, La hawla wa la quwwata illa billahil azim. There is no power or authority except with Allah, the Almighty. I grant you protection to the verse you recite. Indeed, a great event has occurred in the universe, and this is a warning for all of you. I show you this in a dream. In year 2008, such thing will happen everywhere. For there, if you know my message.